The meniscus is a crescent-shaped fibrocartilaginous structure present in human knees, wrists, acromioclavicular, sternoclavicular, and temporomandibular joints. It is responsible for relieving impact on the knees with two bags of liquid, helping the friction between the components of the structure of the knee that allows movement. The knees are one of the most important joints in the body. However, they deal with a great amount of pressure and weight, with about 80% of the body weight wearing them down. As a result, the joint can lose its flexibility and cause pain and inflammation that may reduce your mobility. The knees can also be affected by injuries and heavy body weight. As they are responsible for our movement, it's vital to learn how to protect them from damage. Luckily, there are simple natural remedies that can relieve the pain in your knees and repair the connective tissue. People usually treat pain and inflammation with over-the-counter drugs, and although they work sometimes, they often have adverse side effects which everyone wants to avoid. This is why you should turn to natural remedies to relieve any kind of pain in your body. Here's how to use some of the best ones. Ingredients: 1 egg yolk. Salt. Preparation: just mix the ingredients in a bowl and apply the mixture to the painful knee, then wrap everything with plastic wrap to keep it in place. Leave the remedy to work for a couple of hours, then rinse with lukewarm water and repeat the procedure 4 to 5 times a day. According to studies, rare oils present in the egg yolk can enter the body through the skin and provide essential minerals to the bones and joints. While the salt reduces inflammation due to the high amount of potassium that it contains. Using the remedy regularly will help you reduce the pain in your knees and allow you to move freely again. Besides this remedy, you can also reduce the pain and inflammation in your knees with some ice. Just pour ice into a small Ziploc bag, then apply it to your knee with a towel over it. Hold the bag of ice in place for 20 minutes and repeat the process 4 times a day for best results. The cold ice will reduce the blood flow to the area and constrict the blood vessels, effectively eliminating the pain and inflammation. Mustard oil can also be effective against knee pain. Just massage your knees with a small amount to improve circulation and relieve the pain.